This video is on how to make up to $3,000 from Umoja, and you have to do this right away because it is ending this week on the 24th of October precisely. I will tell you about all the opportunities within Umoja, but first let's get to this. So to do this, you go to umoja.xyz or simply use the link in the description of this video. Now when you get here, all you have to do is just to go to Enter Factory and click on Enter Factory. The next thing you do is to connect your wallet. What I like to connect is my MetaMask wallet, so make sure you connect it. Then you come down here, connect your wallet and take part in the quest. There are three categories. The first one is called the factory role, the second one is the inspiration belt, and the third is the break room. Let's start with the factory role. You will see that I've done some of them, like this one. When you click on enter, you just on simple tasks here. Some of them include following Umoja on Twitter, some is joining their Discord, and you just do simple tasks here. The same thing with airdrop shifts. When I open it, I've taken part in all the tasks here. You have to watch this video to earn some points and just simply take part in all these tasks. Now I have not done some, which is in this inspiration belt. If I click on it, like this one includes some education about the UMJA coin, and it's just simply taking part in all these tasks. Like this one, you have to simply write a thread about Umoja and enter the link here. I'm going to do that after this video. Some includes you joining their Discord and taking part in some things there. So these are the quests. They are actually self-explanatory. Click, just follow each step. It's as simple as that. So you do this one, then you come to the break room and you do all this. This will get you closer to this $3,000 here. This is ending on the 24th of October. Now if you go down, you'll see the leaderboard. So if you've taken part, you might just see your wallet address here on this leaderboard. The Umoja community is very helpful and they want to help everybody. Make sure that you are in the community too. You join their Telegram community and Discord to ask any question you might have. Umoja's native coin is called UMJA. It is launching on the 31st of this month. Let's talk about 3 ways to acquire this coin and the potential of the coin. UMJA is one of the coins that I'm going to be adding to my portfolio for the bull season, so you need to pay attention. UMJA, like I said, is Umoja's native coin. It is deflationary. The total supply is 3 billion coins. 42% of it will be used to incentivize smart coin minting and 0.33% for the airdrop. Now, how does this smart coin incentivization work? When you mint a smart coin on the Umoja protocol, you earn smart coin reward and also part of the 42% of the total supply of Umoja's allocation for that. The formula on how this is calculated is available in their purple paper. I don't want to get to it. You can just go ahead and read that purple paper. Now, you will not want to sell this UMJA that you received. You want to stake them because the 42% of UMJA set aside for incentivizing minting is actually designed to be burnt, plus 0.1% to 0.5% of it. This is what I mean. Say you receive the UMJA and you stake it. When you stake it, you receive two things. One is UMO. UMO is a non-transferable UMJA governance token. By holding UMO, you receive reward from the working lottery 2 times a week. The second thing you receive is more smart coins. This comes from the 18% performance rebate earned by Umoja. You can earn additional smart coin reward by staking your smart coin reward in the yield stabilization pool. If the protocol does not generate any negative yield each quarter, you earn this yield. Now, to get back the collateral you used to mint the smart coin, you have to burn the smart coin and the UMJA you received when minting the smart coin plus 0.1% to 0.5% of that UMJA. So you see that you would not want to sell the UMJA you received from the minting because you will need it when redeeming back your collateral. It is better to use it to earn more smart coin yield which should be your reason for minting smart coin in the first place, because it protects your collateral and earns you more yield on it, helping you make the most out of your coin. Guys, I have mentioned smart coin a lot in this video. If you want me to make a video to give more details on how this smart coin works, let me know in the comment section. Now, you should know this. UMJA utility is embedded into Umoja's protocol. It is why Umoja is called the WAGMI protocol, because the more the protocol grows, the more the value of the UMJA token grows naturally, without the speculative pump we see with a lot of coin. So we don't see it pumping then coming down. So by holding UMJA, we are all gonna make it. Therefore, buying and holding the token is a no-brainer. There are three ways to acquire this token. One is through minting a smart coin. I have mentioned this and I've said you wouldn't want to sell the UMJA you got this way. Two is through the airdrop, by taking part in the Umoja factory and staying engaged in the community for any other airdrop opportunity. I have shown you that. Three is buying the token from the market when it launches. It is launching on the 31st of October. Umoja is launching first on a decentralized exchange on Arbitrum. This is probably to weather any dumping or manipulation or centralized exchanges, and to enable the token to attain organic price discovery. And after then, it will be launched on centralized exchanges. So stay connected in the community for more details on this. I hope the Umoja protocol makes more sense to you now. Make sure you do your own research and join the community to ask questions on the things you're not clear on, because there are more things coming up within the community. All links will be in the description of this video. Again, let me know if you want more deep dive into the smart coin.